Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the linsoul Kiwi ears Quartet in-ear monitors that were sent over to me by linsoul themselves for my honest review. Now these start at a price point of $109 US, so they aren't really on the budget side of things, but they aren't super expensive like some IEMs can be. They do have some pretty cool packaging, and the actual design on the earbuds themselves is also super clean with a nice purple and black kind of like fusion. Inside the box you get the in-ear monitors, a wire, and 3 different sets of ear tips. Gray and red ones, black ones, and white ones. Now I believe they're all silicone and they all come in small, medium, and large fittings. The main selling point of these IEMs is the bass. These feature 2 10mm titanium diaphragm drivers to give you the best bass possible. Definitely leaning towards the bass heavy side of things, of course. So if you don't really like super heavy bass focused IEMs, then I'm gonna be straight up with you. These definitely aren't for you. If you do like bass, but maybe when you get them, it is a bit too much bass. The cool thing about these is they have 4 switches, and these switches can either raise or lower the bass or raise and lower the highs and mids. So what I chose for my configuration was to have the one for the mids and highs on and the one for the bass off. The bass was a bit too much for my personal taste, and I felt like it was kind of overpowering the rest of the music. I left the highs and mids boosted because of the fact that these do suffer from a bit of muffled vocals. Even with that switch on is still kind of an issue, so I'm not a big fan of that. I wouldn't really recommend these when it comes to more classical music or songs that have little to no instrumental backing to them and is just purely on vocals, because the way these shine is in genres like trap or electronic. Even with the switch off, these are still technically pretty forward when it comes to the bass, and when you have music that's super upbeat or with fast tempos and pretty much anything in the rave genre of music, these were very enjoyable. I had a lot of fun using them, especially in the arcade where I play a lot of rhythm games, so these kind of just gave it a little bit of more of an oomph to it, especially when playing. It just was a lot more energetic and enjoyable. Now I will say, if you are looking for IEMs for gaming purposes, I kind of don't recommend these, as the soundstage is kind of closed. Usually wider sound stages are better at locating and pinpointing where sounds are coming from, and these definitely feel a lot closer to you. Now when it comes to the fit and feel, these did fit pretty well in my ear, and the passive noise cancellation was also really good as well. I think it's very important in testing out each ear tip size to see which best fits your ear and what is the most comfortable as well. Overall, I did enjoy my experience with these IEMs once I lowered that bass booster tuning switch, but I still think the vocals being muffled kind of hinder it for being a very versatile IEM. But other than that, let me know what you guys thought about the linsoul Kiwi ears Quartet IEMs in the comments down below. If you do want to buy them, I'll also be leaving a link to them in the description below as well. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.